Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we will see few more methods in the string. So we have split method. We will get output as list of tokens. So if the string is Ram and Lakshman and we are assigning to a variable str, then print str of dot split and. So we are splitting the value and we are getting the tokens in the form of each string. We are getting output like this. List of strings. Ram, comma, Lakshman. It is skipping the value and. In the string we have and. We are splitting at the place of and. So we are getting output as list of strings. Ram, Lakshman. This is the split method. And date splitting. Here date format is 03-02-2021. This is the string. Now print dt dot split hyphen. So we are splitting the string at the place of hyphen. So we are getting list of strings like 03, 02, 2021. We are splitting at the place of hyphen. So we are getting output as list of strings. And now dt equal to 03 hyphen 02 hyphen 2021. This is alpha. We are checking all alphabet or not. This is the is alpha. It is a Boolean method. We will get true or false. It is checking whether this string as alphabetical or not. So is alpha. It does not contain any alpha. So we are getting false as the output. This is one method. And after that, to check digit, whether this given string as digits or not. So 03 hyphen 02 hyphen 2021. In this we have digits and we have hyphen. So is digit. It is also Boolean method. So we are getting false. If the given string does not have any hyphen or alphabets, then if we give simply 02, 03, 2021 like that, when we check is digit, we will get true here. But we have taken 03 hyphen 02 hyphen 2021. So we are getting is digit as false. This is the output. And we have one more method is all num. Means is alpha numeric or not. See here we have 03 hyphen 02 hyphen 2021. Here we have digits plus hyphen. We don't have any alphabets. So we are getting output as false. This is the concept of is all num method. Now we are checking print n dot is digit. Print dot is all num means here is digit. Yes, this is digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are getting true. Is all num. It is a string. We are giving this integers in the form of string. So we are checking n dot is all num is alphabetical or and contains number or not. So we are getting output as true. And after that, we are taking a string called Ram and Lakshman without any spaces and print str dot find man. So where we have man, here we have man and we have man. And print str dot r find man and we have print str dot is lower and print str dot is lower. Print str man in string. We will copy this and we will execute this code. Open another notepad and save it as string. Now we need to execute this program using command prompt. So open command prompt and give path dictionary. Now give string as the file name .py. See, we are getting this output. Copy this output and paste here. This is the output. First we will see the first line of code. This line of code is the characters we are giving. This is the string Ram and Lakshman. We are assigning this string value to variable str. Now print str dot find man. Where we have man? 0, 1, 2. At the index 2 we have man. So it is printing the index value 2. It will only print starting value, starting index. It will not print this man index. It will only print 0, 1, 2 starting index. And after that print str dot r find man. It will check r find means right find. So it is checking from the last. So it is printing where we have, where is the man from the right? It is printing 9. And print str dot is lower. Is this given string as all lower values or not? It is checking. And answer is true. All lower characters only. All alphabetical lowercase only. So is lower is true. And this is also same. So we will remove this. And str man in str. Sorry, print man in str. Will this variable contain man characters or not? So man in str is true because we have man here man. We have these characters. So it is printing true. I hope everyone clear with this. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Now we will see this piece of code. Now copy this and paste here. See here str equal to Ram and Lakshman. X equal to, this is the OR symbol, dot join str dot split and. So we will execute this code. We will see what we will get the output. String dot py, enter. See we are getting Ram or Lakshman. What we are doing is, first we are splitting the string. What we will get after splitting? We will get list of string Ram, Lakshman we will get. We will skip and. Then we will join Ram and Ram Lakshman with this. So we are getting the output like this. This is the concept of join and this is the concept of split. Today what we have seen in this video is, we have seen split concept. This is the split method and we have seen split when we split at the hyphen value and when we split at the and value. And after that we have seen few alpha num, few is alpha, is digit, is all num concepts. And after that we have seen find method, r find, is lower, and man in string we have seen. And after that we have seen the concept of join. These are few methods in string. In further videos we will see more methods in the string. So if you like this video and if you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.